Mendable Shoulder Massager is marketed as a device that supposedly relieves shoulder pain, reduces stiffness, and helps you feel better without medications. But the real question is, can it actually give you pain relief? Now, to be fair, massage devices are not fake technology. Heat, vibration, kneading, and massage can genuinely help some people feel temporary relief from muscle tension and soreness. What it does well may help reduce muscle tension. Massage can help relax tight muscles and create a temporary feeling of relief. Can feel relaxing after long work days. People with desk jobs or repetitive activities often enjoy massage for comfort. Where the hype falls apart, temporary relief is not the same as fixing the cause. This is the biggest issue. Massage can make you feel better temporarily, but it does not necessarily solve injuries, joint problems, or chronic conditions. Results vary widely. Some users experience noticeable comfort, while others report limited benefits. It won't replace medical treatment. Persistent pain, nerve problems, or serious shoulder issues still require proper evaluation. So, can Mendable Shoulder Massager give you pain relief? Short answer, yes. It may provide temporary relief for muscle tension and soreness. But that is very different from curing shoulder pain or permanently solving underlying issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.